Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again, and in today's video we will be making the Sagittarius Paracord Bracelet. We are almost done the Zodiac series, and for all you Sagittarius signs out there, you may want to check this out. This design was authored by none other than Cetus550 from his Zodiac series, and we're doing this one not in loop style, and it came out great. So that being said, let's get into it. To do this bracelet, I've got my two main colors, goldenrod and dark green, and my core color is gray. To start this one off, I've already fused my two main colors together. From there, we're going to find the midpoint of my core strand, and I'm going to do a cow's hitch with the two fused strands over the gray like so. Notice I have the joined part slightly to the right side, as I don't want the ugly melted part to form the top loop. From there, I'm going to bring the terminal ends to each of their respective sides. I'm going to pass the right side strand through the cow's hitch from the right to the left. And I'm going to pass the left side strand from the left to the right through that cow's hitch. I'm going to cinch up my knot now, and the key thing here is to hide the joined part inside the knot, so that your loop is going to be entirely one of your two colors. Next, I'm going to get my paracord set up on my jig. I'm just going to tie a single snake knot with my gray strands, and this is going to allow me to hitch the core strands to the bottom nail, and I'm going to tie my diamond knot later. Now that we're set up, I'm going to start tying my bracelet. I'm going to take my goldenrod strand and put a bend in it and go behind the core strands. And then with the green strand, I'm going to bring it across the front of the core strands and then go through the bend on the right from behind and to the front. When tightening up these knots, you'll have to be careful as this knot is a bit tricky. If you pull the knot too hard, it will deform. So just give enough tension to close up the knot. And notice that I pull the goldenrod bend closed and then I tighten the dark green after. I'm now going to continue by making a bend with the goldenrod on the left side behind the core strands. Then I'll take the green strand over the front again and bend it through the goldenrod crook on the left. Once again, I pull the goldenrod strand shut and then tighten the green strand secondly. So that is the knot pattern, and you're going to continue this weave going down your core until you've reached the desired length. I've made my way down to the bottom, and to finish this one off, I'm going to remove my bracelet from the jig. Then I'm going to pass the green strand from the front to the back in between the two core strands. And then from there, with the green strand on the fid, I'm going to feed it through the goldenrod loop on the back and secure it. From there, I'm going to snip and singe my excess cords with some scissors and press down on them with my knotter's tool after melting them with my lighter. To finish it off, I'm going with the tried and true diamond knot by making a counterclockwise loop with the right strand and laying it over the opposite strand. And then with the opposite strand going behind the right strand, coming back in front and going under the piece in the middle of the loop. And then with our carex bend formed, I go counterclockwise past the base strand and go through the opening in the middle. Same thing with the other strand, going counterclockwise, past the base strand and then through that middle opening. I'm going to cinch up the diamond knot and then adjust it to the right position to fit my wrist. And there we have it, the Sagittarius weave by Cetus550. We're almost done the Zodiac series, and I think I only have one or two left at this point. So I hope you'll all try this one out regardless of your zodiac sign. And that being said, a huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters. If you want access to exclusive tutorials as well as our Discord server, feel free to check out my Patreon page, link in the video cards as well as down below. You can join for as little as $3 a month. You can also support this channel by liking the video and commenting. Also, feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to check out what I have to offer on the rest of my channel.